Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your payment method on Squarespace in just a few simple steps. Start by clicking the settings menu at the top of your dashboard to open your account options. From the left sidebar, click Billing to open your billing settings page. On the billing overview, click the payment information card to access your payment details. The payment information page loads, showing your current billing address at the top and your payment methods section below with the card details form. Click into the card number field and enter your new card number. For this example, I'm using 1234, 1234, 1234, 1234. Click the expiration date field and type in your card's expiry in the format 12/29. Click the security code field and enter your 3-digit code. I'm using 123. Click the Save Payment Method button at the bottom to confirm your new card details, and the button changes to show it's processing your update. Your new card should be activated before you save it. Squarespace will attempt a small verification charge, and if the card isn't active yet, the update will fail. If you see an error after clicking Save, double-check that all your card details are entered correctly and that your billing address matches the one registered with your card issuer. You can come back to this same payment information page anytime to update your card again if it expires or you need to switch to a different one. And that's how to change your payment method on Squarespace. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.